Actually, yung laki niya. Going to Nara Park. Souvenir shops.
No meat?
No meat. Here at McDo and 9:23 na. Kakain lang kami here and then after we're gonna transfer to the Namba station because we're going to Nara. Buti na lang may heater dito kasi sobrang lamig na sa labas. It's like 7 degrees Celsius. Anyway, bye! I got this chicken McMuffin.
Walang asukal.
Okay, so right now we're going to Nara and we have 10 stops. So medyo matagal pa, like 1 hour or something. So I'll see you there. We're now here at Nara. 7. Now we're here in going to Nara Park. I don't know kung ilang minutes going there. But let's see.
Please be careful sound leakage of your music player.
We've got 5 stops going to Daiichi Daibutsu and then from there 3-minute walk going to Nara Park again. We're now here at the Nara Park and amoy poop ng mga deers. Let's see. Baka mag-feed kami mamaya ng mga deers. And bibili kami ng biscuit kasi kailangan yun. Let's check.
Parang nakakatakot yan. Dadalawa? Hatang.
Ito yung mga biscuit for the deers. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello. Hi, dear. Hi, Inola. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Kaya China yun, nasa kanya
Oh my gosh. Wala akong pagkain. No, they're so cute.
Just say sa akin.
Hi, so I'm back and we're here at Nara Park. Medyo sinisipo na ako kasi malamig. Pero very fun naman yung mga ginagawa kasi nag-feed kami ng deers with the biscuit. And now, just exploring the park and check lang namin kung ano pa meron doon. And apparently, merong botanical garden. So, let's check it out. I don't know if it's focusing. Ano yun? Walang tao.
I could eat a ramen right now.
So, we're now in a hunt for a lunch spot. And dito, may malalapit na mga kainan. And it's getting colder. This is our view right now. May mountain doon.
Yung mga pictures box.
So, dito ating mga souvenir shops. And look at this. Okay, so, nakahanap namin ng kakainan. And it's an udon place. I don't know kung ano yung name because it's in Japanese. Let's look at the menu. We got chicken egg, curry soba, udon noodles. Taste test.
Yan sa akin. Same lang.
Magkaiba. Okay, so tapos na kami kumain and now we're going to the temple, to Daiji Temple to be exact. And ang cute. Nagbabaw kanila. We're going to check kung anong meron doon. Here's the entrance to the temple. Actually, ang laki niya. Oops, nagsasalita yung Google. Mas lumalamig siya actually. Mas malamig siya compared to Osaka. So huge. So, may river pala dito.
Arigato sumimasen.
And look at that. The temple. My crow. Oh my gosh. It's a bad omen. Okay, so unfortunately, hindi na kami nakapasok sa Todaiji Temple kasi medyo uulan na. And baka pumunta na lang kami ng Osaka Castle. And it's currently 1:45 p.m. here in Japan.
7-Eleven.
And ngayon, nasa bus going to Intetsunara Station. Because we're going back to Osaka. Ulit. Bye!
Hi guys. Kita nyo naman Ilonggo, it's super cold. Live blackets. Ako excited lang mag-shopping, yun na naman talaga purpose kasi dami dito thrift shops. Kaso parang feel ko mamahalit so may tas sa Pilipinas na lang din ako bumili so parang hanap ko lang dito is Onitsuka. Hindi na sa akin bagay Onitsuka pero hindi ko alam. Tara pala.
Okay, so ang lapit ng pala nung Nara Park going here. And now we're here at Higashimuki Shopping Street. Kasi bibili si Dad ng juice. And here we are.
Where's the 7-Eleven?
We're now here at the shopping street.
Mag-shopping muna kami kasi i-shopping muna kami kasi hindi namin kaya dito laki. Wala naman ganito sa Pilipinas.
This. I'm sorry if it's a little wobbly. Saan? We're now here at Osaka ni Bombashi. And baka pumunta kami ng Osaka kaso. And I don't know kung saan kami. I mean, sasakay. But we'll check na lang.
Check namin kung saan kami bibili ng mga mumurahing sapatos. Baka may divisoria dito.
Hey guys, update. Currently mga 5 p.m. or earlier. And we're here at the Tonbori area. And we're just looking for street food. Nakaupo ako, by the way. Because my feet hurts. So, I'll update you again later.
Small, 3, 3, and this is with cheese.
Our food for today, cheese with
With
chicken,
chicken, yeah.
omurice.
Thai.
Wait lang, tumatakbo kami. And, oh, wala na. And we're crossing the street from the Tonbori to here sa Amaza. It's currently 4 degrees Celsius. So, sobrang lamig. It's currently 5:34 p.m. and 4 degrees Celsius.
I have my gloves on now.
I've only got actually 2 layers and 3 layers. And sobrang
so
lamig.
cold talaga.
Tagal, nantay lang namin. Look at this, guys. So nice. We're here. Hi.
Movie na tong camera niya.
Currently 6:27 and we're just having a family marathon here near our hotel.
Asan yung case?
Mag-ukala ko mamaya na mga
Nilagay mo dito ko?
kakainin.
Nilagay mo dito yung
Omusubi. Tapos chicken.
Legend.
Famous chicken nila. Let's try this chicken. Good. 8 out of 10.
Okay. Parang lasang spam. Yeah,
Diyan!
it's good.
Sabi nila, ito daw yung famous na
Onigiri.
onigiri.
Musubi nga, musubi.
3.
Main course.
Grabe, second dinner.
Main course.
4.2.
Oo nga pala. 9 out of 10.
The main dish.
Para siyang ano ba tawag dito?
Oh my gosh, malubot na
Omurice. It's omurice. No meat.
ako. Meat.
Wala. It's
Omurice
just egg
lang.
and rice. It's too saucy for my liking. 8.
8. Too high.
Namo.
I'll try this omurice and i-compare ko siya dun sa omurice namin kaninang kinain. Let's see if who's better. Okay, anyway, nag-off yung camera ko but I'll give it a 4 out of 10 because sobrang saucy and lasang tomato ketchup. Hi guys, I'm back and papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga kinuha ko sa Family Mart. First, I got this melon drink. I also got this strawberry covered with chocolate. Also got this croissant with strawberry. This is how it looks like. And then finally, I have this candy. I'm going to try this strawberry flavored chocolate. Like a strawberry. This one. So first bite.
Mahirap pagaratin. Ayoko.
Mm.
Yep.
At first, medyo maasim yung last niya. Your rating.
Ate gas.
Rating nga.
6.
Kasi talaga. Parang ano siya, freeze-dried yung strawberry niya. Next, we have this drink. Try na natin yung
Ate,
melon.
binuksan.
Let's chug. Hmm.
What's up, Bebo?
Melon. Try.
Alam nga nung milk yan.
Hmm. 9.
Ay, sobra. Ba't na ko lang?
Cause... Okay, next we have this strawberry croissant.
Story time. Kanina sila bibili ng case.
Oh my gosh, parang medyo nag-melt na yung chocolate. Guys, heaven. Let's fight.
Asim?
Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm.
Lolo.
A solid 7.9.
Shift out of 10.
Okay guys, that's it for my trying out Japanese food.
Arigato.
I'll be seeing you later. Hi guys, 8:33 na and lumabas na kami ni Ahia. Kasi masyado pang maaga kung tutuusin. And malamig na, like
We gonna explore
1 degree.
Japan.
I'm gonna show you how cold it is.
I'm wearing 4
Ay,
layers.
kita eh.
2, 3, 4.
Ako, I'm wearing 2 layers pero nagdala ako ng isa pang coat because I just know na mas lalamig pa mamaya.
Oo naman dito. What's up? It is 1 degree outside right now and it's freezing cold. Naka 4 layers ako by the way. Sabi nata kanina. Lala. Pero share ko lang, if parang feel ko, alam mo, di talaga ako cold person. So, if ganito sa Pilipinas, araw-araw, di ako tatagal, I swear. Anyways, yeah. Share ko lang, kanina din pala, I went shopping sa GU. So, GU, if you guys don't know, GU is this sister company of Uniqlo, but it's cheaper. So, I got 12 items for 5,600 pesos only. So, I computed if around Philippine peso siya, I mean, if Philippine price siya, roughly it would cost siguro 15,000. So, imagine, I saved almost triple of doon.
Hindi ka kaya.
Oh, guys. Kasi, yung heat tech nila is 390 yen. Yen ha. So that's like what? 120-30 pesos. Eh sa Pilipinas, so kano? 990 pesos. So imagine, so...
Okay, so we're here sa 10 yen cheese coin. And we're going to try this famous coin. We're gonna show you if it's worth... Ay, ayun o, may ganyan.
Ano to?
Dito. Ito, kaya click mo yun. Sa taas.
Ito?
Sa go.
Oh, isa lang. Isa lang? Share
Isa lang,
tayo?
okay.
Bakit ito sa Pilipinas? No? Pero 10 pesos.
Taste test of the 10 yen cheese coin.
Alam ko.
Great.
Ichigo?
Great nga eh. Masarap. Okay, I'm going to try this cheese coin.
Pancake.
It's pancake lang.
Yeah? Overrated.
I don't get the hype. Pero,
So overrated.
must try pa din. So, meron pa guys siya na cheese, like mozzarella. Okay.
I want to buy a toy.
Hey guys, I'm back. And, nandito kami sa may Dotonbori River. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry kung medyo hindi naka-focus. I don't know what's happening. Pero naglalakad kami ni Aya. Kami lang yung magkasama. And look at my view right now. This is my view. Ang ganda ng Osaka at night. I don't know if you can see the smoke. Hindi. But anyway, sobrang lamig na talaga. So we're now here at Donkey. And mataas siya guys. And we're about to enter. Check lang. It's Shiran. It's actually a little bit crowded here kasi medyo gabi na and tapos yung mga tao mag-tour around Osaka.
Mahaba.
Okay, bye.